This is going to be a quick unboxing of the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold. This is the company's first foldable PC. We've seen a couple of foldable phones in the market from like Samsung, Motorola, Huawei and such, but this is actual first kind of Windows PC that's foldable. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. The device has a 13.3-inch flexible display. Comes with an Intel i5, 8 gigs of RAM, Windows 10, up to 1 terabyte SSD, 2 USB-C ports, one you could see here, one over here. It comes with a 65-watt USB-C power adapter. There's a power button, volume buttons, and then fold. It just kind of goes like this. You just push, and then now it's more compact. It has like a leather exterior. And then at the back there's a small little flap where you can stand it up like this, or you can do it in the kind of this orientation, or like this. So on the side of the box you get the Lenovo active pen, which you can use to draw on the device and whatnot. As you can see here. And then finally we have the keyboard, which has a slot for the active pen. Has a little touchpad, clickiness. This can magnetically attach to the device like this, and it will also wirelessly charge it. And it connects over Bluetooth and whatnot. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold. It's available now in Canada and US for around over 3,369 Canadian or $24.99 USD. Yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the Lenovo ThinkPad